Hey, there's Aggie and her two sisters.
Looks like I'm going courting. Me too.
Me three. Be still, my beating heart. Onward. Right.
Onward.
Let's just ignore them, girls.
Aggie. Hiya, Toots.
Oh, hello, Ma. What do you know?
We just got back from a dinosaur show.
Yeah. I want you to meet my cave mates, Larry and Shemp.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Aggie. I'm Maggie. I'm Baggy.
You're telling me. Did you come from behind that rock or from under it?
Do you believe in love at first sight?
After seeing you, I believe in love at first fright.
I'll bet you say that to all the cave girls.
What would you charge to haunt a cave?
You say the cutest thing. Kiss me.
No. Hey, fellas. Cut it out, will you?
Darling.
He loves me.
Sweetheart.
He adores me. Angel.
No, cut it out. No.
Darling.
I idolize you.
Look, they're stealing our women. You stole our girls, you half thieves.
We want them back.
Get in the cave, girls.
I'll protect those girls to the last drop of your blood. Come on.
Well,
I'll man the gun. Ammunition. On the run. Boy.
No, a little to the left, about a half inch.
Okay. That's it. Fire! Hey! Oh, boy.
Let him have this blockbuster.
Okay. Little over to the left. Little more. How's that? Ow!
Wait a minute, Mo. There's an explanation. I'm sorry.
What's the matter? Don't you know how to fire a gun? What's the matter with you? Get some ammunition. Hurry up. Okay.
you missed me.
Oh, boy, what a shot.
Look what I found.
Oh, eggs. Perfect.
Oh, boy, a bullseye. Look.
Get the poison gas, Larry. On with the gas masks.
Here we are. Real good.
Okay, I got it. Hold still there, you.
Ah.